Here's interesting apps called DEFERIT, Pay Bills in 4. So let's just take a look how it works. Pay and manage your bills. Budget and pay any bill with no interest or late fees. Simply upload the bill, choose how much to pay, and we pay it for you. You pay over time in 4 simple installments. Move payments and stay on top of your bills all within the app. So it's pretty cool app. Seems it's legit. So it's not some kind of a scam and all of that. Of course, first you can just try with like some smaller bill, but yeah, just simply take a photo, screenshot, or add a file. Select the amount to pay your biller. We pay them full amount up front, and then you pay back to DEFERIT in 4 simple installments. And then you can also save money on your bills, pay less for the same service across internet, phone, TV, and more. Our team of account experts negotiate with your biller. If you can save you money, you don't pay anything. So you can also do that, and then you can build your credit history. So this app, however, is only available in United States. This feature is available in all states except for Delaware, Idaho, Indiana, Mississippi, Missouri, Nevada. You can see here Rhode Island, South Dakota, Washington, and Wisconsin. Split bills in 4 is subject to eligibility, and down payment may be required. DEFERIT charges a monthly membership fee of $14.99, no logins, and then there is a card payment processing fee of 1.5%. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you can just log in. You need to select, all right, so this is also available now in United States. So there is one additional country. So now you can just log in and get the flexibility to pay bills your way, whether upfront or time in 4 installments, save money, and then just there you have it. So here you can just do that, and that's the subscription, where I guess the biggest features, of course, like split bills in 4, instant application with no impact on your credit score. We pay your bill now, you pay us back later. For simple interest-free installments due every 2 weeks. Report it to all 3 major credit bureaus to help build your credit history. Move installments dates at any time at no extra cost. No late fees or other hidden fees. So yep, there you have it. And then you just need to upgrade. There is no free trial. It seems like that. So you can just add a payment method. So that's just what it is. You can also have a referral code if you have, maybe that will save you something, and then you just can have your personal information. You can verify your account, and then just enter your phone number and verify it like that. There is also like help center, and yep, so just pretty interesting app which you can definitely try it out. Yep, and also this, like, you can try out this feature to save on your bills. Our team of account experts negotiate with your biller to get savings on your account. Slash bill, some of our customers save up to $200 yearly. Pay less for the same service across internet, phone, TV, and more. Save time and hassle. Get access to an expert on our team for the entire process. So you can use that and then build your credit. You can also try this feature as well. So yep, something around that. So that's just the idea what you have here. So yeah, seems again, this is a legit app. You just need to pay the subscription and apply, and then of course you need to be based in US, in those selected states where it works, and then yeah, you can just try to use it. So this is like, there are a bunch of other apps where you have Klarna or what others like Affirm. So like, yeah, Afterpay. But this is when you are shopping. But sometimes you don't want to go shopping. You just have some very like hefty bill, and it would be really nice if I would just pay for that bill like using that app. So definitely give a try to DEFERIT app. It's pretty interesting idea, and seems it works. It opens up in new markets. So there you have it.